When they start the project, they're ready to rock.
We've learned through our own mistakes, picking up on these small details.
By the end of it, they're like, bro, I gotta get out of this thing. Buyers are picky. The market shifted, so you have to get better as a flipper.
But you also have the investors and the contractors who want to get in and out as fast as they can. And this is kind of what happens as a result, is like a rush, final touch.
The 90% of the project from start to finish is the easiest. That's the exciting part. You're seeing the transformation in real time. The worst part, the hardest part that everyone struggles with, including ourselves, is the final 10%. This is at least how we do it. Main crew hits 90%. They think the job is done. Then we send in a new small crew for 2 weeks with a punch list. I need all these things done. They're fresh. This is the first time they're on the job. They're excited, they're energized, they smash it out, and then you're ready to list and ready for inspection.
All right, so what do we notice about this house?
I gotta give everyone props. These guys have done a really good job. I'm gonna be super picky, but it's not disrespectful. It's just like right away, you come over here, you need baseboard there. You wanna hide cuts. It needs to be seamless.
First time home buyers coming through this property, and there's muck and dirt all over the door frame. There's paint splattered along the seams of the windows.
This pipe, right, you need some nice Rust-Oleum paint. Just restore it and make it look clean. Paint it. Same thing with these old radiators. This has accumulated dust, dirt, and grime over the course of decades. Bring it to an actual radiator shop that can refinish this thing properly.
The sun is just like reflecting all the dirt on these windows. Get someone who's a professional cleaning company to come in and just do the final little touches, clean these things, make them sparkle, make a homeowner feel like this is the house that they're gonna move in just perfectly.
So then the last thing that I noticed real quick, you wanna put up a piece of cord around here just to hide all the cuts. Guys, the deadbolt, it's gonna line up. Right behind us, you can see a little bit of paint. Paint that bulkhead so it's fresh and clean.
We're noticing things like little bits of trash and construction items that are remaining on the property. Have someone breeze around before you have the listing and the photographer come out.
It's gonna cost you an extra probably 5 G's or so to do all the final items right. In this market, you're gonna get it under contract right away on the first weekend, and it's probably gonna make you an extra 20K. As opposed to when your buyer walks through and says, that's kind of off, this is kind of off. I like it, but let's keep looking, let's keep looking. You want them to say, there's nothing wrong with this, let's get this now.